Good morning, one and all. In today's video lecture, we are going to see about the introduction part of C. I'm handling the subjects for this subject for first year EC A section and C section. So let me start with the introduction of what is a computer. I'll just go these slides very fast since it is very basic things in computers, which is an electronic device. As you all know, this device which will accept data, that is input, which will manipulate data, which is called as process, and produce information, which is called as the output, and we can use it for the future purpose as a hard copy or storage. So these are all the devices. And what is the major difference between data and information? Data can be in any form, like text or video or a Word document, anything. What is information is, it should be in a proper, the data should be manipulated and it should be in a proper form. That is called as information. Why we are saying that a computer is very powerful? Based on its speed, reliability, accuracy, ability to store a huge amount of data, and it can easily communicate with other networks too. So these are all the primary components. We have input devices, we have central processing unit, we have memory, we have output device and storage devices. So as you all know, keyboard and mouse are the input devices. Keyboard, we have 101 or 105 keys. The mouse, which is a pointing device, which will have 5 buttons. The central processing unit, which is the heart of the computer. What is the main purpose of CPU is which interprets instructions to the computer and performs the logical and arithmetic operations. And the next is algorithm and pseudocode. An algorithm is just a well-defined program or a step-by-step process or a procedure or a set of rules, we can say it as in any way, which actually designed to perform a specific task or to solve a particular problem. We need the first step as algorithm. It is used in various fields like computer, mathematics, and in our daily life. Pseudocode, which is a high-level, informal description of a computer program, or you can say it as an algorithm, which uses a human-readable language and simple structured notation to outline the steps or logic of a program without getting out into the specifics of a particular programming language. So this is the basic algorithm. We are just going to add two numbers. So you should start with the keyword called as start. You're going to input the first number, second number, add number 1 and 2 and display the result. And this is the difference between algorithm and pseudocode. This is the pseudocode. You should start with begin. Pseudocode is just, we are just giving the system as an instruction. Read, write, sum and end. So this is the basic program. How to read, what are all the statements we are using, what is the syntax. Main is the function where your execution starts. We are holding two numbers, number 1, number 2. You are just going to printf. You are going to enter the number, scanf percentage %d and number, and we are going to read number 1 and number 2, and we are going to calculate the addition here. So this is the flowchart. You're going to add two numbers. How we can implement this using flowchart? Start, read number 2. If you see in flowchart, the shapes differs. Start and stop should be in the same oval shape. Read, it's a parallelogram, or we can say it as trapezium. And for calculation, we should use a rectangle shape. And here is the introduction to C language. We all know C is a high-level language, which is mainly used in main programming language. and which is a basic for all the programming languages, which was introduced by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1970. One of the foundational language in the field of computer programming. So we need a text editor or integrated development environment to we need a compiler and an IDE. You're going to save a program with the extension called as .c, and this is the basic structure of a program, which is mainly have 6 parts. One is documentation, second is preprocessor, third is definition, fourth is global declaration and main function, and last is the sub. Documentation, just giving the name of the program, and preprocessor, which are all the header files or library files we are using for the program, like hash include stdio.h, math.h, and we can also use hash define, and we have global declaration. We need to know the difference between global and local, and why we need a main function for a program, and what is the difference between void main and int main, and what is a subprogram, or we can call it as a function. This structure of a program we will see elaborately in the next class, next video lecture. Thank you.